Alright, so my dad will solve all of your problems. All of your mechanical dad problems. And he's also doing push-up for dollars. This is what YouTube has come to. If you got car problems, he can fix it. I gave him a camera today, so he's gonna be making more videos. But yeah, we're just hanging out. This is the man, the myth, and the legend. David, what's up, dude? He doesn't know what to do. He's just sitting here. He doesn't think people are gonna... How do you build a prototype without breaking the bank? What kind of prototype is the question. Hello, Josh and Dad. Greetings from Sweden. Dude, build a robot? What? This is not... We don't have robot stuff on hand. Maurice, what's up, dude? We're just hanging out. Good morning, have a great day. This is the wrong... Travis, you linked the wrong one. How, if you wanted your kid to get excited about building stuff, what would you recommend?
Gee. How about an erector set?
An erector set?
Yeah.
Those are like from like 1985 or something?
They still make them.
Connects. Patrick wants his son to build stuff.
Yeah.
So you recommend erector set?
Erector sets. Nuts and bolts and screwdrivers and beginner kit.
Beginner kit?
Mm-hmm. Now they have motors and electronics, everything.
Can you guys hear us okay? He's kind of quiet. He doesn't know how to be... He doesn't... Why? Alright. Can you guys hear us okay?
Mm-hmm.
He's kind of quiet. Nothing. You're at work this Sunday, just saying hi. Hope you have a good evening. Later, dude. There's a cheap electronic car from China. It's $8,000. Dude, would you get a gasoline car or an electric car for $8 grand? And
gas. Gasoline.
Why? You not care about the environment?
Absolutely, but for $8,000 an electric car,
You gotta look at the camera over here.
isn't much more than just a battery at that point.
You not care about the environment?
Too many problems to go wrong with.
Why gas?
Well, there's not as many issues.
Might be subjective.
Well, still, it's easier to fix and cheaper to fix a gas than an electric car.
So we have two mechanical engineers here, but I have disavowed mine. So he's the only one. If he can solve your mechanical issues, he can solve your life issues. That's right, Patrick. What's your favorite car to work on?
Old cars.
What does that mean?
Old muscle cars. How about that?
Can we get a model? A year?
A model, years. I mean, I'm partial to lots of cars. You know?
Yeah, you gotta pick one or two.
Pick one or two. All right.
These are the good questions.
You know, pick a Mustang and a Chevelle. There's a Ford and a Chevy for you.
Yeah, you gotta pick one or two.
The new electronics are good, but I like the older. Incorporate some of the new electronics into the older cars is the way to go.
If you could rebuild with just a frame any car, what car would you build? If you could have any car.
Any car would be kind of like one of the
The camera is up here.
yeah what's that car called?
I don't know.
It's one of the fast cars, not Ferrari, it's not Maserati, it's actually I saw one in Arab the other day. It's $1 million car. I can't think of the
Alright,
name.
well, I'll let you figure that out.
Okay. I can't think of the name.
Do you have your computer on playing the show? We can hear it. I have music on in the background. I gauge the music with my headset. If the music's too loud, I'll bring it down a little bit. Please say hi. Amit says hi, yo. We're just hanging out. He just came over to chill for a little bit today. He has his own Koenigsegg? How do you say that? Hi, Josh's dad. He has a 328i BMW, and his oil light came on. What kind of oil should he use?
Whatever the manufacturer recommends. They're two different. All cars, manufacturers recommend a specific weight for their car. Look in your owner's manual. Bugatti, that was the car. But synthetic oils are good. Traditional oils are just as good as long as you keep them changed. That's the lifeblood of your vehicle, is the oil. Keep it changed every 3,000.
Do you have a brand? Do you have a favorite oil brand?
I prefer Castrol over all of them.
Why not like Valvoline?
I've just had no issues with Castrol.
You guys want to hear me talk about mechanical engineering stuff? Because I have like approximately this much negative interest in mechanical stuff. Ask me about computers. That's this guy. He tried to get me to build stuff when I was a kid, but I just had no interest in building stuff. What does my dad think of my job? What do you think of my job? What do you think about code and YouTube?
It's different. I don't know much about coding.
Are you proud of my life decisions?
So far, sure.
So far? What is this? What is this picture? This car?
Bugattis, yeah, but there's another car that's in Arab. It just came out. It's $1 million car, the fastest production.
You just want a fast car? You don't have a favorite car?
Well, that one that I'm talking about that I can't remember the name of would be that. I saw a video of it the other day, but I cannot remember the name. Kind of looks a little bit like the one on the bottom there.
A Dodge Demon? What is that?
It's a Dodge. It's like a Charger.
Oh. Well, that's cool. Latest monster muscle car.
Yeah. They're okay. I'm not a Dodge fan.
What are you, a Chevrolet?
Meh.
Meh. Why not get a Rari? Do you know what that is?
A Rari? Ferrari?
Yes.
I don't want
Oh man, I didn't know if he would be able to connect those dots. He hasn't heard any songs that say Rari. Hi, Josh's dad. Hello, chat. What up, Andrew? Salute. Lycan. Oh, that's nice. That looks cool. 3.4 million. Is that it?
Might be close to it.
Looks cool.
Hypersport. It might be it.
It looks like the Batman car.
Let's see, does the back... This is the back. The back actually looks like the Batman car because it had two big exhaust pipes out the back of it that actually look like the Batman car.
Like this?
No, they don't have it. See, if you
Well,
look
this
at
is
the
it.
back.
Well, this is the car.
Yeah, well, that's not the car then.
Okay. All right. Daniel, what's up, dude? We spent $550 on an Xbox One X. Why? They were Black Friday Xbox One X sale was like $399. Why did you do that? James, take it back. Go on eBay. You can still find it cheaper. Patrick, we still have to do a video today. Later. How are you guys? How's your guys' Saturday? That's deep. Josh from the future is a car guy and has traveled back in time to tell himself that code is not worth it, and I'm posing as my own dad. So you're me in the future.
Really?
Do we look the same?
In the future?
Yeah. I don't think we look alike. Who got a haircut? I got a haircut? I didn't get a haircut. Did you get a haircut? I don't think we look alike.
Oh, a week or two ago.
What are you doing?
I was going to look up that car.
Okay, you can do that later.
Oh, well, I was trying
Okay.
to help him out.
Wait, no. Man, this is why. Okay, you have to learn how to stream like 101 if you're gonna do this. Because I don't know if you know, but on my channel on the sidebar it says people you should check out, and it says Mechanical Dad, where he has one video talking about how to. I don't know if you know, but on my channel on the sidebar it says you have one. He has one video. But he's gonna make more. When are you dropping a new vid?
Well, he gave me new cameras and stuff today, so hopefully I can get something this week. I have a couple made already recorded. I thought they were on there, but I guess they're not. They just need some editing.
That's what I have to teach him how to do. What? Are we echoing? Alright, look. Hold on. I got you, Patrick. Hold. Is this any better? Do we sound better now? Dad, did anyone tell you look like an older Marty McFly?
Oh, that's not good. No, I haven't been told that one.
Is that a Vive back there? Yes, sir, it is. Do I ever play it? I have a Vive back there because I wanted to do VR game dev. Oh, I know what's happening. Oh, I'm so sorry, chat. My bad. I had the stream open in the background and you heard the audio of the stream. It's fixed. I'm sorry. You look like phase sensor. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, that was the problem. Why is this so many like it? Can we get some thumbs up on the smash on the likes? Yeah, Patrick, we gotta play some VR. Why do we have like it's like four thumbs up and like 2 thumbs down? So it'd be awesome if you guys could smash the thumbs up at least if you're just lurking. I'm sorry about the echo. That was terrible. James, what's up? Or James Phillips, what's up? Cyber. Are you proud of your son's accomplishments?
Yeah, very much so.
Are you really, though?
Yeah.
Are you disappointed that I didn't take my mechanical engineering degree and do mechanical engineering things?
No. Not at all.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I thought that you were like, well, why are you doing that? You were like, well, why are you going to learn to code? You just got this degree and a nice job.
No, not at all.
Remember that time I tried to get you a job at my job?
I know.
And they were like, you can't touch my $1 million equipment.
Yeah.
That dude was a douche.
I've been touching $1 million equipment for years.
Which one is Josh?
Seriously.
I thought you were going to charge it.
I am. I was trying to look up that car.
If you don't say smash the like, you'll like. I'm sorry. Do we look alike? I don't think we look alike. We have different hairlines, that's for sure.
Yeah, I still have hair.
Yeah, he still has hair, and you get your hair genetics from your,
my mom's dad.
Yeah, you get your hair genetics from your mom's dad. Mm-hmm. And so if I look at my mom's dad, I have approximately 36 months of hair left. Sorry, chat. My dad is so chill. You are super chill.
I am today.
I mean, he's like this. He's like this every day. We have the same jaw and cheek structure. Do we? Get close.
A little bit.
Get in here.
A little bit. Kind of hard to tell.
Look that way.
Mine's wrinkled.
My dad seems like the type of guy. My dad seems like the type of guy to stub his toe on the chair and go, "That's disappointing." No, he gets so flustered so fast. You like the father-son thing?
Yes.
He's pretty chill. I was thinking about so I have my old desktop. I know I'm kind of blurry because I'm sitting back. Let me zoom it in a little bit. I have my old desktop that has 16 gigs of RAM, an i7 2600K, some hard drives and stuff. And I was thinking about maybe doing like some games, teach him how to play games, or try to teach him how to code, something. I think that'd be fun. It'd be entertaining. What is my favorite food dish my dad has made? Oh, snap. He's a pretty good cook.
That's a tough one,
I don't know. Not your pizza.
huh? No, I don't do pizza.
Probably like some roast beef, slow, like 8-hour roast beef. That's pretty good. Get your dad to play Overwatch with us. No, I think he would have to be Mercy because left click would be the maximum amount of actions he could perform without getting confused. I don't know if he'd be able to turn. Would my dad like UI UX? What are you into? What's your dream job?
My dream job?
Yeah, if you could do anything, if you had unlimited money, what would you do right now just 'cause? That's your dream job.
Yes. I don't know. I like a lot of things. I mean, I really don't know.
I think I asked you
Dream
this
job.
once, and you said that
Yeah.
your dream job would be to be a Mythbuster, to build things and blow shit up.
Yeah, that would be pretty cool, I gotta say. It would be... I would like that. I'd like to build a car from scratch.
Okay.
You know.
I think you'd want to be a helicopter pilot.
Yeah.
You're not in the zone.
That's the car, though.
Which car? The Bugatti?
No, it's not the Bugatti. Hang on a minute, I'll get back to it. It was what you had up there on that screen.
It was a Lycan.
No, it was that this one.
Oh, yeah, Patrick, you're right. It was the Koenigsegg?
Mhm.
Koenigsegg? Yeah.
Yeah.
Start blowing shit up and vlog it. He might. I gave him a GoPro, and so he has that bike with a motor on it, and he could, I don't know. So your dad is visiting you? Yeah, Koenigsegg? Okay. In terms of design, are you more of a give me the blueprint and I'll build it, or I'll do it myself?
I'll do it myself.
That's kind of how I am. I'll do it myself. That's him. He's like, I'll handle it. If you want something done right, you gotta do it yourself, right?
Mhm.
What other questions? Dream job being your dad? Can you make a video converting a lawnmower engine into a go-kart?
Well, if I had the go-kart frame and stuff, I could, but it's not hard. Actually, a lawnmower engine won't work because the shaft of the engine comes out at the bottom. You would have to use a riding mower engine to have the shaft. Actually, it wouldn't come out either. Most lawnmower engines, the shaft comes out of the bottom of the engine. You need a horizontal shaft, not a vertical shaft.
He's basically Iron Man. Put him in a cave, give him a toolbox and some shit, and he'll just build you a vehicle. What's my proudest moment of my dad? What's my proudest moment of my dad? Probably when he quit his job to do his own job. I'm good. Andres, dude, how are you? How are you, Dad?
I'm okay.
You alright? What's he doing now? He works at a hotel. Oh, what's your proudest moment as a dad?
Wow.
Getting deep.
Yeah, it is pretty deep, isn't it? Well, I don't know. I was proud when he got married. I was proud when he graduated with
Why were you
college.
proud when I got married?
Well, because I was. Well, you didn't say that then. It wasn't that way then.
You got laid off? Good. Opportunity to get better. proud when he got divorced?
Well, I mean, they do what they have to do. I don't want you staying with somebody you don't want us to be with. That doesn't end well.
What do you think about my room and my setup?
Oh, it's nice. I mean, it's nice. It's a lot different than what he had. I like his new table for his computer, so if he hadn't mentioned that.
Yeah, my room is pretty chill. I tried to, that's why I wanted to look professional. It's got to look professional. Can you know what I noticed when Patrick, when you asked that question about like if we could convert a lawnmower engine into a go-kart? Like, you know how he closed his eyes to explain to you? Does that look familiar? Does that look familiar to you? Because I do the same thing.
Well, I just had to think a second.
I know.
I don't like giving out wrong information.
Dan, I'm going to let you take a guess. When I lose all your hair, when I lose my hair, are you going to do the George Costanza or the Vin Diesel? I'll probably just get like a giant star tattoo. Any plans to start your own business?
Me?
Yeah.
Not immediately, no.
What would you want to do for your own business?
I've had one. I don't know if I'd want a second one. I really don't know.
It's okay. You don't gotta. You're gonna hurt yourself thinking about it.
Yeah, I don't really know. I've had one business already. I don't know if I want to do it again.
What made you switch to computer science? I'm not a huge fan of the mechanical engineering culture. Not the job culture especially. I'm just not interested. I'm not like a hands-on, build-it-yourself type person. That's what he does. Like, look at him. He's just tinkering with shit on my desk. Like, as we're here, he's just like grabbing shit and just tinkering with it. That's what he does. He just picks things up and starts tinkering. How long have you been married? I'm not married. I was married for like 5 years. But mainly, I don't know, mechanical engineering just wasn't exciting to me. I only liked the machine automation portion. He's like a 5-year-old learning the world all over again. That's him every day. He looked shy when you said that? Yeah. Because that's the nature of him.
Right.
When you get called out on stuff.
Well, sometimes. I guess it depends on the question.
Did you have to spank me a lot as a kid?
No more than any other kid.
Any other kid? How do you know how many other... Do you know some I didn't?
No, but we believed in spanking, not time out.
Can confirm. This is 100% confirmed.
Discipline your kid.
Not more than the national average. Teach him to code. I think he would get bored. I think he would... He needs like hand stimulation to like make things click up here, not like looking at a screen. He has to like do it in his, he has to, what's the best advice? Okay, so that's a kind of similar question. Alice said, what'd you say? I saw it in there, Alice. Did I miss it? Oh, it wasn't Alice. That was the best advice that I have been given from you. I remember when I asked you, why did you quit your job? And you're like, you just have to take that leap or you'll never know. But then after you do it, you'll figure it out. Mm-hmm. And then the first week is like, what am I doing? And then after that, you'll figure it out.
It's a scary thing.
That's probably it so far. Right now is what I can remember. And then the rest of it is just don't suck up to people. Make people, like earn your respect. mainly he doesn't kiss ass. Like at his job, a lot of his coworkers were kiss asses, and I always kind of just grew up like, I don't know. He would like we were talking about that last time. Like when you're in a group of people, and like the boss is there, and then someone's like the boss starts laughing, and then everyone else starts laughing, even if it's not funny, just because they're like sucking up. I was never like that. He's never like that. He's like you have to earn your value.
Yeah.
I don't know. You used to get hit with a clothes hanger? Are you still going to show us mechanical learning? Yeah, he will on his channel. I gave him his GoPro. He's got to go film some vids. Don't you have like an idea list?
Yeah, I have a couple models and just remote control models, and I have a something that will be similar to.
What are the videos? What are the videos you're doing?
Well, I've done a video for making.
Can you convert Can you do a video of converting a lighter into an industrial flamethrower?
I don't know if you could do that with a lighter. I guess you could use part of it to ignite it. But you're going to need a little bit more than just a lighter for that one.
Can you make a transformer?
The robot transformer,
yeah, not the electrical.
Electrical.
Oh my god.
Do the electrical transformers.
You can. I know. So this is the thing. Like he does mechanical stuff, and I do. He'd be a great programmer if someone would make an AR VR physical programming. Yeah, if they're like physical, like little hologram language, you could like put together. He could probably make that happen. But I don't think I could teach him code. You want to see some code?
No.
See? Step 1, can't even get there.
I've seen code. It doesn't make any sense to me.
It doesn't make any sense to anyone.
Okay.
That's the thing. We all don't know what we're doing. We just talk like we do on Stack Overflow.
Yeah, when you have to type in 6 different letters, numbers, or figures, and you come out with a circle. Yeah, it makes no sense to me.
Make him do a hello world. You want to know how to do a hello world?
Probably not.
I'll show you. We'll do it together. We'll do it in the console.
Does it have a purpose? Does it do something?
It says hello world.
Oh, okay.
Isn't that exciting?
It's thrilling. I'm on the edge of my seat.
See, how do you teach someone to code that has the attention span of a toddler? All he wants to do is just hold the blocks and put the blocks through the stuff. Because that's how he learns.
Something that says hello world
just doesn't do it for you?
Doesn't mean much to me.
Are you sure? Because some people love this console, this little terminal. So,
okay.
See? And then do you get what we're doing here?
I see you typing in words.
You understand how this is working?
Yeah, you type in words and something else comes out for it.
Look at that. It says hello world.
I see that.
Isn't that exciting?
It's awesome. I like the black and the red. That's definitely defined.
This is called a string right here because it's in quotes.
Okay.
So it's a string.
Okay.
And this right here is the console object. We're using the .log method on it.
Of course.
Of course.
Why wouldn't you?
Why wouldn't you guys?
She whiz.
She whiz. Mind blown.
I mean, that's where I'd go.
This is high quality entertainment. We should just start a podcast. Just shit talking. Dimitri, welcome aboard. Hafiz, what's up? He would do well in a software dev interview.
Oh, I'm sure I would.
You'd know exactly what to say.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure you could get by with just shaking your head.
I would tell him I'd use the concept.log method.
Console.
Console, I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's a console.log.
Yeah, with an algorithm. And I'm sure I'd get the job right away.
Do you know how to reverse a string?
Well, I would hold it this way, and then I would turn it over.
In code?
In code?
Yeah, you gotta reverse it in code in the console.
Oh, well, I could, hold it this way and then smash it together. And
I can't help you.
I can't help it.
We can't help him. You guys don't want to see me teach him code.
No. Waste of your time.
You got to do 5 push-ups.
Now?
Yeah, right now. Andy, thanks, man.
Seriously?
Yeah, seriously, 5 push-ups.
You're kidding me?
No, you got 5 push-ups.
Oh, come on.
You earned it.
Are you kidding?
No, you got to do it. Thanks, Andy.
Yeah,
Give him a nice workout. Oh,
you know how old I am.
Look at that dust.
Right? I mean, come on.
all right.
Come back. I can't do it with a dog in front of me.
Excuses. Come on, you just got 5. You got 5.
I know.
Yeah,
Oh, are you kidding?
What else we got? Hafiz. All right, dude. How many can he do? What was that, 4?
That's 5.
No, that was 4.
No, it was 5. But I'll give you one more.
All right. Look at that overachievement.
That's 6. That's asking a lot.
All right, so thanks. So I'll give him that. That'll go to my dad. Sorry about the trilogy program.
Sissy push-ups either.
They weren't sissy. No one said they were sissy
I know,
push-ups.
I'm just saying.
They were legitness.
They were legit push-ups.
That was legitness. Yeah, what, like that Vine?
Seriously.
Good work.
I actually thought I could do more than that.
How old are you?
Almost.
How old is? Wait. How old does he look? I might have to tag in here in a second if you get more.
More what?
You haven't got any more push-ups yet, but I might have to tag you out.
You might.
So so let's see, 50s, 51, 50, 58, and jumped 55, 52, 57, 60. Kassan, bruh.
Well, thank you to most of you.
I don't know how old you are. I think you're like I think you're like 54.
Thank you.
You 56?
Almost 7, yeah.
He's almost 57. Turns 57 in June. I thought he was 55. I think you were 55.
No.
See, this is the problem. This is the problem when you work a job for like, how long you were a tenant? Like 23 years? He was at his job for like 23 years, and then they let him go, and he didn't. And then they let him go, and then they basically sued him. And then he didn't network with anyone, right? And so now he has 23 years under his belt, and no one will hire him because he's 57 years old. James, thanks for hanging out. Patrick's mom wants to know if you're single.
No.
You could be. We don't talk about my mom. Is my dad a programmer? No, he's a mechanical engineer. You have any room for side chicks? We can get you a second cell phone.
Wow. I better take the 5th on that one.
Mom's probably watching this.
Probably so.
She's probably like, "Well, Mike, you did so great on those push-ups, hon." I can just see it. I'm surprised she didn't text you. "Josh, I'm so proud of you." I can just hear it in my head. Yeah, my dad went to college. Does my dad work as a mechanical engineer? No, not anymore. But he did work, and then as we were just talking about, what? So you quit because they wanted you to charge like 1,000% more in parts, right? And you're like, "This is stealing."
Yeah, they had ethics I didn't agree with.
Well, basically his company was bought out by venture capitalists, which means they try to squeeze those profits out wherever they can. And they wanted him to like sell extra stuff to customers that didn't need it and like charge more for parts, and you were the face of the company to the customer. Like without you, they didn't have.
That's right.
They wouldn't have gone with your company because
That's right.
you. So, anyways, he quit the job and took all those customers for himself,
I did
for
that
his
too.
own company, and obviously non-compete. So he got sued, and then now he lives here with me.
Permanently.
Now you have to go home tonight. I should let my dad review some memes. Can a mechanical engineer be freelance? No, not really. I mean, you could do like solid
contractor.
Yeah, but then you have to have a PE. Yeah,
Why?
the PE so you can stamp your name on the blueprints.
If I didn't draw the blueprint, I don't have to stamp my name to it.
Then what are you being paid for?
To consult or to supervise.
Okay, yeah, but you could be like a consultant, but like
An engineer draws the blueprints. If I didn't draw it, I don't have to sign it.
maybe. I don't know. But there's not a whole lot of options for freelance. There's not like a freelance. There's not like mechanical engineer freelance.com. That's not like that doesn't exist.
I know of, no.
He's just like he could work as a consultant, but like no one will give him the time of day. Have you ever thought about leaving the U.S. to get a job? He's 57. That's the thing, right? He's gonna retire at 65. It wouldn't make sense for someone to hire him for less than 10 years just for him to retire in like what?
Yeah,
8 years?
Less than 10 years, yeah. 8 years, 7 years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. He needs to just build stuff. This is why I need to buy him a house. This is why I just need to buy you a house, get you a car, pay you like $2,000 a week, and then just send you on your way. Enjoy your life.
Yeah.
He should come to
Sure.
Germany. He's going to get a job if he's qualified.
I'm overqualified for most everything.
How does he support himself? He works. He's the maintenance guy at a hotel. He did a bunch of interviews for engineering jobs, and then he gets to like stage 5, and they basically just said like no.
I'm a maintenance engineer at the hotel.
I think you got to do 5 more push-ups, fam.
Oh, come on.
I'm thinking this might be a thing. Hold on, let me look. Yeah, you got to do 5 more push-ups.
Why? I don't see the offer.
It's
What's
there.
that?
We just had a little dono there for 15, so you got 5 more push-ups.
You're gonna kill me.
You're at 5 push-ups. You got 10 push-ups.
No, that would make
These
him
are
have
expensive push-ups, and you're complaining.
it. And I'm 57, guys.
He's 57. Look, he's going beast mode.
Help me, Sue. Help me, Susie. You can push me up, will ya? Thank you. Thank you.
All right. We got 3. Come on, we need to hit that below 90. Put them on your
There we
payroll.
go.
I will eventually. I don't have enough money to do that. Is that 5?
That was fun.
All right, did 5.
Mess around. Can I be excused for a minute?
If you want.
I'll be right back.
All right. I'm sorry. It's just me now, guys. Are you coming back?
Yeah.
Getting a drink?
Yes.
All right. See ya.
I'll be right,
Solid form.
be right back. Wear me out like that.
Yeah, I mean, he's... Oh, God. Make Josh take a turn? Am I doing 3? I'll do $1 per dollar. Sorry, this turned into a push-up stream. This is not what it meant to be. I was just trying to help my dad out. Give him a little something. That's all. Well, you guys are. He'll be back. I don't know how to make the notifications stay longer. But I can, but your name's up there in the top left. So you're good. Trying to help Pops. You don't want to kill the man? I'll tell him he's got 5 more when he comes back, and I'll hit the other 15 for you. I already did chest at the gym, so forgive me. You can make pretty good money as a maintenance worker at the hotel. What's the issue? Yeah, he does. He makes like $15 an hour. So he went from making $37 an hour as a mechanical engineer to making like $14.95. So that means I kind of have like a play on his confidence. So I'll do 15. 1, 2, 3, 4. Was that 15? Okay, so don't tell me he's got 5 more. I don't think he wants to come back. Is that 16? Okay, that's fine. Then he's got 1 push-up left. You overachieved, cheater. I know. I really want him to be successful. Like, I really want him to just, like, have his own YouTube channel and, like, just fix stuff, right? Just make videos about how to fix stuff. Because if stuff breaks in my house, I don't know what to do. I just call him. He can fix anything. What do I think about the PS1 Classic? Any interest? No. I watched some review videos of it and it doesn't like... What about Jet Moto? What about Crash Bandicoot and Spyro? Like, you know? Dad real. He has his own YouTube. He does okay. He makes good videos. He makes videos that I would watch if I want to know how to fix something. Just like common things. Like how to buy a used car off a used car lot but without getting scammed, you know? Podcast. I was thinking about maybe doing like streaming some games. Like I teach him how to play some games. He'd play some games, I think. Son teaches father to play a game or something. I don't know. What's better for inventory control database, Mongo or SQL? So Mongo has speed going for it, but SQL is, I don't know. I know SQL, so I'm more preference to SQL, but Mongo's okay. Plug his channel. Yeah, he's almost at 200 subscribers with 1 video. This is pretty awesome. I'll link it, I guess. My dad looks finished. Are you finished? No, I'm not. He doesn't want to come back. I can hear it. You got 5 push-ups.
Again?
No, you got 1 push-up left. I did 15 for you. 16 for you.
Seriously?
Yeah. Someone.
3 different orders?
Well, I do $1 per push-up.
Oh.
You're older, so you get $3 per push-up.
I just had to go get some fresh air.
You got, wait, hold on. That's his channel. You got to push up. Just one.
Okay.
90 degrees.
Do you think I get extra if I clap my hands?
Does he get extra money if he claps his hands for a push-up? No, I mean, the money's been already given. You don't get anything, but if you want to show off. Does he have a Twitter? No. I don't know.
That might end up in a face plant. That could be the $100 one.
My dad said that he would do no-hand push-ups for $100 each, and I'm like, wouldn't you just be face planting? And he's like, exactly. I just fall on my face for $100. I'm like, are you kidding me?
That was back in those days. I don't know. One push-up, huh?
You got one push-up.
Voice, like, one push-up. Okay.
Wow, 57 hits
There you go.
hits that push-up clap at 57. I didn't think that he could do that. I'm impressed.
How about that?
Wow, that's good looking. Here, I'll
Not
make
bad,
you.
Huh?
How you feel? You feel energized?
Well, I don't
A
know
little
about
tired?
Energized.
You look
I'll be
a little.
paying for it tomorrow.
That's okay.
Yeah, but you can't forget about the scars.
Oh, what's the favorite read? I don't know. You're not really a reader. You have a favorite book? Yeah, see.
Mechanical. Oh shit. What's it called?
I don't know. I'm not a mind reader.
Popular Mechanics.
Oh, he likes Popular Mechanics magazines. Who would have thought? Who would have ever guessed? How about that?
Popular Science.
My dad should go through military boot camp with a GoPro strapped to his forehead. I might do that.
What? You want to see a old guy collapse on the field?
I mean, I don't know. What kind of car would you recommend for a beginner? Okay, so I was telling him about how to buy. Let me move this microphone down a little bit. I was telling him how to buy like a used car off a lot and how to not like get scammed. You know how remember we went to go look at that truck once and like it was parked over a puddle on purpose so that you couldn't get underneath it. That's a common thing, right? Used car dealers will park cars over puddles on the parking lot so that you can't get underneath it, or it's a pain in the ass to get underneath it and look for like defects and stuff falling apart and shit. Yeah. What would you recommend for people? Like, how would you not get? He has a whole little ebook on it that he wants to sell. that like, I don't know.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, I mean, because there's like I think it's more geared towards like women that aren't
toward anybody.
Well, one person said make one for women. He's like, all right, I'll make it for everybody. But what would you recommend if people want to buy a used car?
Well, I mean, always make sure, get the Carfax like you see on television. Make sure it's not been crashed, and that's probably the first thing you want to make sure of. Make sure it's not been in an accident. And after that, I usually, check the mileages. I check, the fluids, to see, are they new? Are they old? There's a lot of things to look at. It's not one or two just different things to look at and say that's a good car to buy. You're spending a lot of money. You need to take your time. It's buyer beware, and usually they're as is. So once the taillights leave the parking lot, it's yours. It could break 10 feet down the road.
The car that I bought him for his birthday this year, the wheels came off while he was going down the highway. Yeah. That like actually happened.
Yes, it did.
And then he put the wheels back on.
Yes, I did.
Same wheels? Same hub? Same everything?
Well, new stuff for what.
Why did they
broke.
come off? Did they just...
They just broke off.
Like
We
the
don't know
bolts
why.
broke off? Like they just sheared?
The wheel studs broke off.
The
All
wheel
5
studs
of
just
them.
sheared.
Yep.
Wow.
I've never seen that happen myself.
That's like that was gonna be used for like murder. Oh, lost control of the car.
No, not loose lug nuts, not missing, just gone. All 5 studs just broke right off.
You should do a few videos going to the used car parking lot and pointing out like shit like this that like to look out for. That you'd get kicked off, but you'd get lots of views. But you get lots of views.
Well, yeah.
You get millions.
They usually don't let you be long enough for that.
Yeah, they'd see you pull out a camera and they'd be like, "Oh, yeah."
Yeah. My little instruction book is pretty thorough in purchasing a used car.
I had a little spot on my website for Mechanical Dad, but I took it off because it was just empty for so long because it didn't have a camera. What is the best advice you were given by anybody? Anybody?
Best advice I was ever given. I don't know. I always be yourself. I was told to be patient at one time when I wasn't. I am now. Different things.
I don't have time to be patient.
I didn't either.
No one has time to be patient.
No, they don't, but you need to learn patience.
I remember you'd always say that when we'd go fishing and no fish would bite. And I'd be like, this is so boring. And you'd be like, just patience. And I'm like, I don't want to sit here and wait for the fish to bite. Has my dad thought about teaching at a university?
Yes.
They don't get paid that much.
I've only ever had one reply back for that. And actually that was in here in Utah. But I never heard a response after I sent my resume. Never any follow-ups.
Yeah, that's the problem. He gets like a lot of interviews, but no follow-ups. I think it's because they figure out his age and they're like, nope. Pretty sure. So I don't know what to do. I wrote his resume and cover letter, and I think it's pretty good. I told him how to interview. I told him what to prepare for. And still, I don't know. No one will just give him a chance. It's stupid.
It's either I'm overqualified, is what I've heard, or
Gotta get in this camera shot.
we've gone to somebody, we've decided to go with somebody else. Those are the 2 responses I've heard.
How long have we been here? We got about 7 more minutes. How's that wrist? That's what you get for doing a clap push-up.
Well. I thought I'd end on a good note.
What about robotics? What about robotics? Just enough time for 20 more push-ups. What are you proud of about your dad? What am I proud of about my dad?
I don't know.
You can fix a lot of stuff. You don't really give up that easy.
No, I don't
You always
give
find
up.
a way to make it work.
Eventually.
Well, you always like figure some like, I don't know. If the fire there is to motivate you, you'll figure out a way. I don't know. You would never not figure out a way.
I try not to quit at anything.
You'd have to either be dead or incapacitated.
Most of the time.
He doesn't give up. He just changes directions.
That's a good one. Yes.
I just made that up. It wasn't.
I've had to do that with several things at work lately.
Change directions?
Mm-hmm.
In other words, tenaciousness.
Well, where my one idea wasn't working like I wanted it to, and I had to modify it to make it work how I wanted it to work. And it did. It just took a little while. Patience.
Yeah. Is it dark outside? Oh,
Getting there.
almost. I'm like so over this dark at 5 o'clock. Like, I'm so over this.
Is it even 5?
Yeah.
This is 5.
I'm just...
Sure is.
See, this is the thing about that, Dan and Benjamin, is, it's illegal here. Drive for Lyft? He can't drive for Lyft because the car that I bought him is from 1990 something, and you have to have a car that's, what, I think...
I think it's 10 or 12 years.
Yeah, 10 years. Your car has to be within 10 years of the current date, and it's not, so... Uber Fluke? That'd be cool. That's a really German name. Isn't that what the name is from? Germany?
Uber?
No, Fluke.
Oh, I think so. Amish.
It's an Amish name?
I think
Are we
so.
farmers right now?
Well, your grandfather was.
Yeah, but were they Amish and then he left? Did he
No.
leave?
No.
Were we
They
Amish?
No.
How far back did we go before we're on a farm?
What's your Nana's mom? Nana's dad?
Were they both farmers? Do we have anyone that was like a king?
No.
Rip.
Not that I know of.
Rip.
Yeah. No, don't expect any royalties.
No royal blood? That's right, I just make it myself.
No.
He makes $3,000 a month and he drives Lyft and Uber and he almost got his car stolen. So this is if you drive Uber and Lyft, you just carry with you. I mean you're not allowed to do that, right? But who cares? If it comes down to my life or my car being stolen or me getting fired from Uber for carrying, I'm carrying.
Yeah. Definitely.
Hoopty? I don't know. Yeah, you should like teach at college.
Mhm. Like I said, I haven't. Nobody called me back. This was Utah.
What are you?
This was one.
Can
of
you
the-
be? Are you like the manager person? Are you gonna be the manager person at your job?
Oh, I don't know. Maintenance guy.
Yeah. When are you gonna be the manager of the maintenance guys?
Well, I don't have that official title, but I'm pretty much it because I'm the one that does everything. I teach him.
But you have your own office. You can kick your feet up. That's nice.
I do. Yeah, we do. Mm-hmm.
All right. So we'll just do some shout outs. You can do the shout outs. Just shout out some people in the chat there.
I can't even read it, Josh. I can't even see that.
You can't read it.
I cannot see those. I can't see it. You do the shout outs. You're quicker.
All right. So we're gonna go. He does hotel maintenance, Craig. That's his job. That's where my mom works too. Yeah, I don't know. We'll get you a house eventually here in the next couple years. I'll just drop the keys. Here you go. Go retire. It'll happen.
I like what I do. I like my job right now.
He likes his job, but it just if it could pay like $25 an hour,
Sure.
$30 an hour, that'd be better. If it just paid like $50K a year, you know,
That would be okay.
nice
too.
little salary, 50. You should negotiate that. You should try to negotiate that with her.
Oh, I gotta put a little time in. You can't do that from the beginning.
Yeah, I know, but you should try to get a salary from her eventually.
I have saved them a lot of money.
PC Express, what up, dude? I can develop it and he can run it. Your dad should open a business or invest some money into stocks. Assuming we have money to invest in stocks. What? Just invest some money. We're just assuming you have money to invest. And you have the time to wait. What?
That's a long-term thing.
I don't know. I posted on Salt Lake City, on Reddit, Salt Lake City once, and I was like, this is my dad's degree, this is his background, this is his history, this is where he's applied, he can't get a job. Can any of you, put a good word, or I didn't say put a good word in, because it's just Reddit, but I was like, can any of you guys, any place where my dad could apply that would give him a shot? I know he's older, and they were like, "Oh yeah, well definitely, yeah, I can have my husband put his resume right on the manager's desk." And I had 35 people reply, and then none of them followed up. Best to start a small business. Okay, so you have to have money to start a small business, and you have to have customers coming to pay you so that you can pay your bills while you have that small business. That's just not how it works. Sue the companies for ageism. They can't, because they never say why. If they said we're not hiring you because you're too old, then he'd make lots of money. But they just don't respond.
Well, they're not going to give you that answer.
Yeah. I don't know. James, Craig, Toma, Alice, PC Express, Dan, Patrick. I don't know if you're still here. Uvaldo, Abhijit, Benjamin. Guys, thanks for the support, by the way. That all goes to him, so.
Well, give me time. I'll get the videos out for you guys. They will be interesting. I don't try to be too serious all the time.
You gotta get better at speaking at the camera.
It takes me a little while to get relaxed at it.
Yeah.
But they're coming. I have plenty of ideas.
Yeah, he likes teaching people and showing people how to do stuff. Ominous, what's up? If you're overqualified, what is it that companies are looking for? Probably, someone that's younger that wants less money. Have a link to his channel? Yeah, I got a link to his channel. Here's my dad's channel. He's almost at 200 subs. Getting close. But yeah, we're going to head out. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for hanging. And I'll see you guys later.
Thank you guys. I appreciate it.
Yeah. See you guys later.